Hi, kindergarten. Happy Monday. So our journal question today was, I found blank at the end of the rainbow. I wonder if anybody thought about finding a puppy at the end of the rainbow. You know who wants a puppy? The pigeon. So this morning I'm going to read to you Mo Willems' The Pigeon Wants a Puppy. Ready? Let's see what happens. Oh, hello. How are you? I'm fine, thanks for asking. By the way, do you know what I really want? What I've wanted forever. At least since last Tuesday. A puppy! Puppy, 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 puppy. Oh, don't worry. I will take care of it. I promise. I'll water him once a month. Is that what puppies need? What? Everybody knows that puppies need plenty of sunshine and water. What is he talking about? Oh, I get it. You just don't want me to have a puppy, do you? You don't want me to take a piggyback ride on my puppy or play tennis with it. Can you do those things with a puppy? I don't think so. You just don't understand. I am just a puppy-loving pigeon. Ah, puppies. You can come in. I want a puppy right here, right now. Say hi, Ella.
Hi.
Do you want a puppy, Ella?
Yeah.
Will you ever get a puppy, Ella?
When I'm older, but when I'm not living with you because you're allergic to puppies.
I'm allergic to puppies. Woof. Woof, woof, woof. What is that? Woof. Is it possible that all my dreams have come true? Woof. Ah! Uh-oh. What is that puppy, or what is that pigeon thinking right now? That puppy is huge. The teeth, the hair, that wet nose, the slobber, the claws. Did I mention the teeth? Well, I really had no idea. I've changed my mind. I really want a walrus. A walrus. The end. So boys and girls, I hope you have a fun day today. Tell me exactly what you would like to find at the end of the rainbow. And don't forget to put it on Flipgrid because then everybody can see everybody else's answers. I miss you guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.